let us discuss the question number 6, that is linear equation is given 2x plus 3y minus 8, and you are asked to form a linear equation. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair means that this linear equation and the linear equation that is made by you. So there will be a pair of linear equation and there will be two lines for the two linear equation, and the lines in the first condition will intersect each other, in the second condition it will be parallel to each other, and in the third condition it will coincide. Okay, so let us assume that the second linear equation will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So to get the first condition, we have already known that a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So here a1, we will compare this equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So a1 will be 2, and here a2 we don't know the value of a2, and b1 is 3 but we don't know the value of b2. But we know that a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2 if the lines intersect at a particular point. Okay, so for the first condition, a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So here we know that a1 is equal to 2, so a2 should not be 2. Okay, so we assume that a2 is equal to 3. In the second portion, that is b1 is equal to 3, but to fulfill the condition a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So b1 is equal to 3, but we assume that b2 is equal to 4. If we assume a2 is equal to 3 and b2 is equal to 4, then what will be a1 by a2, that is 2 by 3, and what will be b1 by b2, that is 3 by 4. So 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 4. It means it fulfills the condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So the equation will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So place 3 in place of a2, that is 3x, place 4 in place of b2, that is 4y, and take any value of c2. Okay, I have taken 5 as the value of c2. So the equation will be 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. According to the second condition, lines to be parallel. Okay, so we have already known that if the lines are parallel, then the condition that is to be fulfilled is a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so here we assume that the second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and this is compared with the first equation, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So this equation is compared with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second equation we are assuming a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here a1, the value of a1 is 2 and value of b1 is 3. So according to the condition, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2. So if a1 is 2 and let us assume that a2 is equal to 4, then value of a1 by a2 will be 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. And if b1 is equal to 3 and let us assume that b2 is equal to 6, then the value of b1 by b2 will be 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is half and b1 by b2 is also half. So we can conclude that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and let us assume C2 as 5. Okay, so C1 by C2 will be minus 8 by 5. So it fulfills the condition, that is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, so the equation will be A2x plus B2y plus C2, which is the value of A2, that is 4. So 4x, and the value of B2 is 6, that is 4x plus 6y, and we have taken C2 as 5. So 4x plus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. So the equation will be 4x plus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. The third condition, lines to be coincident. Okay, so lines to be coincident, the first equation is known, 2x plus 3y minus 8, it is compared with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and let us assume that the second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, and c1 is equal to minus 8. Okay, and we don't know the values of a2, b2 and c2, but we know the condition that if a line, the two lines formed by a pair of linear equation to be coincident, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here a1, the value of a1 is 2. Let us assume that value of a2 is 4 and value of b1 is equal to 3. Let us assume that value of b2 will be 6 and c1 is minus 8. Let us assume that c2 will be minus 16. So if we divide a1 by a2, then we will get 1 by 2. If we divide b1 by b2, we will get 1 by 2, and if we divide c1 by c2, we will also get 1 by 2. So the condition fulfills. Okay, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 2. So it fulfills the condition of lines to be coincident. So the equation will be a2x plus b2y plus c2. So put the value of a2, b2 and c2. a2 is 4, b2 is 6 and c2 is minus 16. So the equation will be 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0.